Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and swipe down on your Android phone. And the next thing you want to do is to swipe down again. And the next thing you want to do is to click on this pencil icon. This is going to pop up. Scroll down right here until you find that thing right here. Click and hold down and drag it to this particular section right here. Once you drag it, you can easily click on here to go back. Then by the time you swipe this way, you have your dark theme right here. So enable quick dark theme on your Android phone. Tap on here, and in a quick seconds, you have your dark theme right here. If you want to disable the dark theme, simply tap on here again, then you disable dark theme. Turn on again, then you have all your Android phone in a full dark theme. If you click on any of the app right here, it responded in the dark theme, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.